I'm standing in front of a rather gorgeous BMW 635 CSI, and it's owner here, Dennis. The JPS livery looked fantastic on the track, looks fantastic today. I guess you're a bit of a BMW, Frank Gardner, Jim Richards fan?
Yeah, so like a lot of people here from back in the day, we love the cars, love the cars. And I ended up, I've had a couple before, I've got a white one now, but I always would have loved to have made one of these.
Yes.
And the opportunity presented itself. The guy who bought my previous car off, Adam Smith from Bavarian Plastic and Restorations, we discussed building something like this. I was looking at a black car, and we thought maybe we'll do a Group C. And you got to dream big, right? So, getting the body kit sorted out, etc., had to be thought through. But luckily, I flew down to Melbourne a couple of times to see at Phillip Island, to see the Jim's car and Dean Howe's car. And Dean was very generous in allowing me to take photos and things like that. Got a lot of photographic reference, and also from online you could find heaps of stuff. So got all the photographic reference, found some guys to help me design it in 3D, computer, scanned an original car, got it all designed. Adam and his crew outputted them out in Brisbane and fitted them. My background is art, so I was able to, off photos, design all the livery. Mm-hmm. And as it turned out, Graham from Signtown in Brisbane was actually the apprentice sign writer for the JPS team. So I got him to print them out for me, ship them down here,
fantastic.
And got Oliver from Roadblock to stick them up. So the car's all about the gold, the livery and the flares, of course. I'm happy with the way this turned out, and at the moment it's got a stock M90 motor in it.
Right.
But plans are to have an M88, which is the car that Jim's running now.
Okay.
Go in with a dogleg gearbox.
Yes.
So that'll bring it up to more of a replica spec. At the moment it's tribute. It's a living work of art really. Stick it in the shed, can look at it now and then, and then now, it's such a great event this to get it out. Brings a magazine to life, right?
Yeah, totally.
So nice to see everyone here and enjoying their cars.
Yeah, no, that's great. How did you find those?
Well, if you look hard enough, there's some people that do replicas. So these are in in plastic.
Okay.
A lot of people, if you look on Instagram, they're actually building them in aluminium, and they're really real works of art.
Yeah, right.
But these ones I found, the trick was getting them mounted because these are Simmons wheels.
Yep.
And they're actually designed for a specific type of BBS wheel.
Okay.
So I just a mixture of lug nuts, wheel nuts. I got spacers custom machined to accept M6 nut bolts. So I was able to build a little construction to mount them, which was fun again. I'm no engineer, but I actually managed to engineer that little bit, which was fun. And I actually, I think about 2016, I saw the restored one, the race car with Jim. I'd never seen it in real life, and I was with my son, who was 16 at the time.
Right.
And I just went, wow. Yeah. I had a stock car, and I saw this. I'm like, wouldn't that just be amazing to have in your garage?
Oh, absolutely.
And put it out there, and somehow it all evolved and it came to be. So pretty amazing. So it's been 6-7 years.
Well, it's blown me away.
Oh, thank you.
Brings back a lot of great memories for me, watching it on TV, watching these cars live and everything. So, Dennis, thanks so much for
my pleasure.
Sharing your car with us.
Well, thanks for having me.
Thank you.
Okay.